So you should already be logged into Destiny. If you don't know how to log into Destiny, go back and watch the first video so you can get to this point. We're going to start right here, and we're going to Destiny Discover. So if I click on the home button, sorry, I'm lying, the catalog button. You can do it from home too, but we're going to practice with catalog. So click on catalog. It's the third link. Just because I showed you, you can also, from the home page, it's the very first link. Just takes a minute to get there. It's right there, Destiny Discover. So click on Destiny Discover. And it's kind of weird because you have to also log into Destiny Discover if you go there directly. Okay, so I'm going to click on Login. And I'm going to you would use Google, just like I showed you in the other one. But for this one, I'm going to use my fake student account because it will look different for your account than mine. So this is what it should look like if you're logged in. When you get in there and you figure out that you can't get to some things, it's probably because you're not logged in. So in Destiny, let's first talk about the simple things of finding a book. I can click right here. I can type the name of a book that I'm looking for. Let's say I want to check out the book Savvy, Savvy. I just type the name of the book, I hit enter, and it's going to show me Savvy. Okay, so I have Savvy right here. The reason that Switch is right below it is because it's part of the same series. Now you can look at these two and see Savvy is out. Someone has checked it out. Switch is still in. But I want to read the first book. So I can't check this book out. I could put it on a collection, which we'll talk about later. I could mark it as a favorite, or I could put it on hold. So before I put it on hold, I want to show you a few features. Right here, I can see the author. I see the call number. So when you come down to the library, you should know the call number of the book you want. I can see the publisher, I can see the reading levels and the Lexile. Our system does not show Fontes and Pinnell, but I can help you translate it from Lexile or reading level when you come down, okay? So I'm going to open it up. Now I think this is the coolest stuff. First of all, we're going to get to collections. You can share this link with a friend if you want to, but down here it has all kinds of information. And here's the fun. You could add a review. So if you read this book, please don't waste our time with silly things, but if you actually read the book and you want to write something about Savvy, you could write it right here and you could rate it a certain amount of stars, okay? You can also see how many copies there are. There's one copy and it's checked out. Plus, you can see if some other library in the district has it, so you can ask me to try to get it from that librarian. This book is the only copy in the whole district, so it looks like you're going to have to put it on hold. And you can see if it has any awards. So look at all the awards this book has gotten, so you know it's probably a pretty good book. So I'm going to put this on hold by clicking right here, putting it on hold. Okay? What that means is that when the book comes in, it will go to you or to me because I just put it on hold. You can also look on the side and it'll tell you other books that you might like if you like the book Savvy, and maybe you want to read one of those while you're waiting. Okay? Now, you have one book on hold. You're allowed to have 2 books on hold, maybe 3, I can't remember. So when you're using this, make sure the book you put on hold is what you want. If it's not, if you change your mind, you have to go back out. You click on that menu. I'll show you again. Right here is the menu. Right here. Click on the menu. Go back to regular Destiny. It's kind of weird that you have to do this, but you do. Then go to My Info. My Info will show you fines, holds, what you have checked out. I have it here. I'm changed my mind. I don't want Savvy. I want to do some other books. Click on the little trash can. Say yes, and I no longer have a hold. If you change your mind, please delete the hold so you're not wasting our time by delivering it to you. Okay, so that's step 2, finding a book in Destiny.